Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you comparison between the iOS 26 and the Google's latest Android 16 stock OS version. So first we show the quick setting panel. So swipe down the notification panel from the top on your Android 16. Here you can see how it looks. You can change the tap on the edit icon. Here you can tap on it. You can increase or decrease the size like this on your device. Just tap on it, increase or decrease the size you want on your device. In the iOS 26, just swipe down the notification panel. You can see the new glass effect. Just look amazing like this. Here you can see how it apply the glass effects in the background also application. Here you can see how it looks amazing. So you can change the quick setting. Here is the iOS 26 quick setting tiles. You can increase or decrease the brightness here. In Android 16, you can increase or decrease brightness from this. So this is the quick setting tiles. In the recent applications, swipe up and hold, and you can see how it look the recent applications in iOS 26. In the Android 16, you can see how it looks quick recent application on the device. Also, when you swipe from the right side, you can access the widgets. If you have latest Android 16 version, you can also access the lock screen widget. But in my device, here you can see the Google feed, so you can access Google News when you swipe the left to right on device. Also, when we open the app drawer, here you can see how it looks the app drawer on your device. So you in Android 16 you can see this type of app drawers. Also, you can see different settings. Just open the app drawer, go to settings. In the settings, here you can see how it looks application settings compared to Android 16. Here you can see Android 16 settings. This is the iOS 26 settings. You can see. So this is the all important settings in the latest iOS 26 or latest Android 16 version. One of my favorite is this new quick glass type effect. You can see this that look amazing. In the background, also apply the effect. Here you can see how it looks. You can also customize it by swipe down it or edit it on your device. Just tap on in Wi-Fi, long press it to see its settings on your device. Same process. Android 16, tap on the pencil icon. Here you can edit it any icon just like this, increase or decrease. You can change it. Here we small this side to also increase. So now go back and you can see change the quick setting tiles look. So quite easy. That's it. Which one is your favorite? Please comment in the below box. That's it. Please like it, share it.